All right, so this one popped up about an hour ago on the Craigslist app. I refreshed the app and saw that it popped up, so we're gonna check it out. It looks really good. And they said they have video games, so let's go see what we could find.
Kind of like that one.
Yeah, what brand are they?
Hello, good morning.
Hey, how you doing? Awesome. Cabizio boots? I mean, we'll hold on them. These are good. Tuck is a good brand. You want to be the pile guy?
Mm-hmm.
These might be good. Ariots, they're a little rough, but we'll get them. Ostrich. I guess it all depends on the price. But let me go ask her where the video games are. It's pretty cool. We'll put this in the pile too. Cool little backpack there. Is that yours? All right.
Thank you. Hello, gentlemen.
Hey. Do you guys still have the video games, or
Okay.
maybe?
Maybe.
Okay, yeah.
Actually, someone came by this morning and took a lot of them.
Dang it.
That's all right.
Okay. And is it okay if we make a pile right there?
Yeah, we're
You
gonna
can
make a
make a
little
pile right
pile.
All right, cool. Awesome. I'll just be around if you find them.
Oh, you're working on it?
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll put these,
Table
yeah,
work.
put it on the couch.
Yeah. Put your
Couch
stuff right
pile?
here. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, we're gonna couch pile it.
I need to
Yeah, I'm gonna not bug you, but I'll be here if you wanna
check on the
find
rest
them.
of the games real quick. Yeah,
For
take a
sure.
look around.
Thank
Lots
you.
of fun clothes.
Caviar. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Single stitch? You gotta be kidding me. Liquid blue, what is it? Alright, we gotta go through this pile very well. That is true vintage right there. Alright. Do you mind putting this in the pile?
Yeah.
That's a good. That might have just been a one-off thing. Ugh. Corset. Here you go. Here's another thing. Corset. What the heck? What do you think? A horse?
I like it.
Put it in the pile.
Never seen anything like it.
I know, this is pretty cool. What's this from? Tony. Do I see the video games?
Lisa, you let me know. Let me know what you would give the box away. Okay.
You found it, huh?
Found it. It's my roommate's. I'm gonna take pictures and he's gonna let me
Yeah,
know
yeah. I'll
what
let you-
he's up for letting it go for.
Okay. Yeah, I'd be
And if
interested in
there's any of
everything
this-
if you want to just ask him to give a price.
I will, and I just need to know if there's anything I should take out of this pile
For
because
sure.
he might be sentimental.
Yeah, you never know.
We will see.
He had quite the collection. But yeah, I'm interested in everything if you want to ask him. Thank you. We might need to have interference up there on the video games if someone comes by. Because those will, if anybody sees them, they're going to be one of them. I don't really see anything else, to be honest. Some very cool, interesting stuff here, though. I'm really happy that we found this last minute. Oh, are these Converse? Oh, Wild Boulevard. I don't know what that is. Hopefully I'll have enough money for this stuff. This chair's cool too. How much is your little chair?
$5.
$5 on that?
It's $5, yeah.
Is it older? Or
Matching hanger.
Is it
one
what?
up here.
is it vintage, you think, or made to look older? Who knows?
I repainted it. I honestly don't know.
You painted that?
Yeah,
Is
I
that
love.
from the
I
one in the
love-
garage from the same vintage?
What? Where?
That hanging chair? The one on top of it.
The round one?
I'm keeping that one for now. So I repainted that one. I repainted both of them. I decided to let this one go to keep that one because
Nice.
I can't have both. I can't fit
Yeah.
both in my house. So I'm gonna keep that one for now. This
Cool.
one I'm willing to give away for $5.
$5,
I
yeah.
repainted it. I love
stained
it.
it, huh?
I stained it. I love
Yeah.
it. I can't justify 2 wicker chairs in my house.
It's beautiful. I love it.
It's
I'll
nice,
probably grab that, to be honest.
All
but-
right, cool. And it's just a little that one's a little easier for me to maneuver
Yeah.
as a single person.
Maybe a little more cozy too.
It's a little, yeah, it's a little nicer.
Yeah. Do you have any more like older shirts like this?
Another bag full of them somewhere.
I don't.
You don't? Okay. This is a pretty cool shirt.
That's it is a vintage shirt.
This is from the 90s for sure.
It is. I don't have
Looks
a lot
like
of
you
that.
painted like a few houses with it too. Huh?
I did. I
This is your
enjoyed the
favorite
heck
shirt at
of
one
it.
point.
It was. It
Yeah.
was, and I enjoyed the heck out of it.
Yeah, that's
And
a cool one.
I am moving on from things I love. It's hard sometimes when
breath.
people bring me a favorite thing.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I can't believe I'm giving
Yeah.
this away. And it's literally just because I need to.
Yeah.
I need
I'll
to clean
with the old
out
in
to
with the
bring
new.
more stuff into my life, you know?
Yeah.
It's the whole thing. And like, if that stuff was mine, I already gave all my stuff away. That's my roommates.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
just need to make sure that they are actually cool with that.
For sure.
Burning Man
Let's-
bike there.
It is a Burning Man bike.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, I bought it for $50 off my friend.
It's got the Burning Man dust on it
It's
still.
got the Burning Man dust on it still.
Dusty.
If you guys are in the market for a Burning Man bike, I could sell it for half that for 25.
Do you mind if I look at your friend's stuff before he says anything, just so I can see what's in there?
You can look at it.
Okay, I'm not gonna yet. I'll just look.
We'll keep an eye on you.
I might touch. I am gonna touch. Alright, we got Nintendo 64 or Xbox 360, PlayStation 3 games, nothing crazy, some Wii stuff, yeah. And then these are probably really good.
Gotta be careful. The things I was wearing on my
Nintendo,
head are gonna go
Yeah.
to sale.
Yeah, don't put nothing down right now.
I know.
Nintendo, PSP, PlayStation 4, looks like. Some other stuff. Yeah, it's a cool little set. Hmm.
Hey, how's it going?
You have any cash on you? I might need more. We'll see. Oh boy.
If you feel sentimental, I don't have to sell these. I just know that they've been in the garage for a while. The PS3. The PS3. The red one. Oh, the red one. Got it. Okay. Okay. Yes, got it. Okay, so he's cool letting it go.
Okay,
I'd
cool.
say like for this much, like this, 2DSs, PSP. This is like these are like this is like the
old
gold Zelda.
3DS
we've got
things, yeah.
We've got the Pokemon edition, right?
Yeah,
There's
for
like-
sure.
I mean, there's tons of games in here.
Some cool games I
Great.
saw, yeah.
I think for the whole box is 50. 50 sounds good.
50 for the whole box?
Yeah, that's probably at least $500 worth of stuff, right?
Yeah, I'll give you $100 for it.
Well, oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I
yeah. No,
appreciate
50's
that.
too low, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, thank you. And then if
Oh.
you want to just tell me what you want
Yeah,
for...
and I
Good
just
man,
took
man.
I just took a couple games out that he was
Yeah, there's some good
sentimental
stuff in there.
about.
Yeah, there's some cool stuff.
Yeah, cool stuff. Yeah, I just don't know if we'll play it again. And
Yeah.
I just took a couple of ones that he was sentimental about.
Yeah, it's all
so
good.
all the other ones are there.
No, I'm happy with that. And then whatever you want for that stuff, and we'll...
Thanks. Thanks.
I don't know what that goes to, but I'm gonna.
It's a dog thing.
We have like a thing at our dog park. We put stuff we.
Okay.
do.
Cool.
So,
One,
go there.
5, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
Is that a Burning Man thing?
8, 9, yes. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 116.
How much?
160? Yeah, for 116.
160 every... Okay,
For
total?
everything,
Okay,
yeah.
so it's 10, 20, 30, 40... No, it's $100 there for the video games.
Thank
and
you.
then on top of that, we're doing... How much for that? Sorry, I was
16.
zoning out. 16?
Yeah.
Here's another 20. Just go ahead and keep
Oh,
the change.
thank you so
No, thank you.
much.
I appreciate it.
Appreciate it, guys. Hope you enjoy. You want me to get you a bag for this stuff?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll get this thing loaded up and I'll be right back.
I'd like to.
Oh, should I get that chair too? Yeah. $5. Yeah, I'll probably get that chair too.
I finished it last year.
Yeah,
Exchange it.
I like it a lot.
Yeah, you can have it. I want you to have it. $5.
No, yeah, I'll grab it for $5. Thank you. Dude, $50. She's crazy. That was so nice of her. But yeah, I couldn't do that. I mean, I didn't comp any of this stuff yet, but I know there's incredible value in here. Even just the games alone. I would have paid $100 for more than likely. So, yeah, that was really cool of her. Just couldn't do it for 50. Too low. I'm gonna give her another $5 for this chair. And that's gonna be for me to keep probably. Although I probably could sell that chair too. Here's another 5 for the chair. You think we can fit the chair in there?
Yeah, we'll make it.
All right,
I'm
cool.
Layla. I didn't get your name.
Yeah, I'm Matt.
Matt, nice
Yeah,
to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Steve.
Steve,
Yeah.
nice to meet you guys. You guys
Yeah.
from around here?
We're from Hayward. We're just kind of like driving around, garage selling today. Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
All right. Yeah. Thank you so much for the deal.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
welcome.
You take care. All right. She's pretty nice.
Yeah. Very much so.
All right.
Okay.
You think we could maybe put this here and then slide the chair that way?
Try it. You know, let's put down the seats.
You thinking that way? Like that? Like that. That'll fit. Pretty cool. It's a little, oh, got a little broken, but it's all good. Kids will sit on it. So it's going to be almost impossible to show you guys everything that we got from this yard sale just like in a breakdown like I normally do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just go through everything, and just know that $100 for all these video game stuff. I looked up a few things already. I'll throw some comps on the screen that you guys can see, but it's a crazy deal. If I would have known that some of these things were worth this much, I probably would have offered even more than $100. But yeah, let's go into the eBay room and show you guys what we got. So I don't really have the perfect setup to show you guys this stuff, but we're going to try to make it work. So first off, we got a bunch of video games, and these two sets right here are just full of them. We can just quickly go through them. There's Beyond Two Souls, and then there's a lot of like anime stuff. So we got, I wouldn't even know how to say most of these, but Desega 3, we got Desega 4, I got Grand Theft Auto, Harry Potter, Heavy Rain, Katamari Forever. And I'm not going to just name them all off, but I'll just quickly go through them. But yeah, more anime looking stuff. Let's see. Yeah. Nino Kuni. And then over here, we're getting into some Wii U stuff. So we got some Mario Kart, some Mario Party 3. We got Nintendo Land, Pikmin 3. Super Mario World, Super Mario Maker. So all these are really good. Super Smash Bros. We got Yoshi, a couple Zelda ones here. And yeah, unfortunately they're all, hold on. They're all disc only, but still they're all really good games. And even at disc only, they're going to sell pretty well. So we got some normal Wii games here, got some Zelda games here. And I think that's going to be it for this one. I think at the end of here, there's like a couple more games, but these are not like video games. I don't know what these are. But yeah, and then like a burn CD. But yeah, so that's that one. And then we go into this one. We got a bunch of Nintendo 64 stuff. I'm just going to quickly browse through this. I'm actually not even going to take too much time, but they're all Nintendo 64. Over here, I don't know if there's anything else. I think they're all just Nintendo 64. But yeah, tons of stuff. So that's pretty cool. And let me go get out the handheld consoles real quick. Okay, so here's the consoles. So first off, we got a PS3. It's a little dusty, but we got all the cords and cables for those. There were a few loose DS games that were at the bottom of the box. There's Mario Luigi, that's a good one. These other ones I'm not really sure. Bravely Default. We got 9 Hours something. And Animal Crossings, that might be a good one. But yeah, we got the Zelda Edition Nintendo DS. And I do have all the cords and chargers for all these. This one right here is actually a very high dollar one. This is a Pokemon Nintendo DS XL. And this is the one where I saw there's sold comps for like $350. Like a lot of sold comps for like $350, which is crazy. And it looks like it's in pretty good condition. Obviously, we're going to have to test all these, but I have no doubt that they're all going to be working. Still has a little stylus. Here's another Nintendo 3DS XL. This is just a regular blue version, but still, there's still a lot of value here. And, you know, might not be as crazy as that Pokemon one, but I would assume this, I couldn't even quote you. I'll throw it on the screen. And then there's a PSP here, and I think it is a special version as well because it's red. Let's see which one it is. Maybe it's just a red one. Okay, so you guys will have to tell me what that is. Let's see. Principality of Xeon. Okay, so it's the Principality of Xeon PSP, which, you know, I haven't looked up this one yet. The only one I've really looked up was this Pokemon one, because that one looked the most interesting to me. And that one's super, like, I was really surprised. We got a few games here. A couple more. Yeah. Nice little stack of games. Let's see what this is. It's just a case. And I think that's it for this stuff here. And then finally, here's all the cords and cables for everything. We even have stuff for other systems too. Like I see like a Nintendo Wii system, which is good because I have one that I need all the cords and stuff. Yeah, and then pretty much everything I'll ever need is going to be in here. Here's a Game Boy or a GameCube controller, a white one, really clean. So just a ton of stuff for $100, and yeah, I'm really happy about this deal. So as you guys saw, there's some incredible items that we picked up at this garage sale. That's not even including all the other stuff that we got. We got that really cool vintage t-shirt, the Wizard one, and that was on a Liquid Blues tag. We got some other kind of interesting items as well. So I'll throw those comps on the screen here that you guys can see those and what they might be valued at as well. But yeah, and we got that chair for $5. I think it was really cool. But yeah, really cool garage sale, old school style, you know, cheap prices, good stuff, and friendly people. Can't beat it. That's going to be it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. And we'll see you soon with another video.